Morning, SS2 students. I think I'm happy today because I think I've received many of your assignments and most of you did very well. I will still encourage you to, if you have not submitted, please submit. And even the one I'll give today, make sure you submit it and send to my WhatsApp page. We have statistics this morning. I believe you enjoyed the hearing that we did. I've not gotten any question from you people. Well, let me believe that you understood all of them. But if you don't, please do well to ask some questions so that we'll be cleared. This morning we'll be looking at statistics. May God grant us divine understanding as we go into this study. We have statistics and we'll be considering the measure of central tendency. Under this, we'll be calculating the mean, the median, and the mode of ungrouped data. I want to believe you know this because you did them in your junior class. But this is just a review before we go to the group data. So let's look at measure of central tendency. What is measure of central tendency? This is just a statistical measure which describes the center of the set of data. The common measure of central tendency are mode, median, and mean. If you have data like this, if you want to discover the center of it, the arrangement, the center, that is what we call central tendency. That is, if you, after test, maybe somebody scored 1 and another person scored 100, the next person scored 3, the next person scored maybe 70. If you want to find what the performance of the student, what you just do is add all the scores divided by the number of the students. So they can get the average, maybe the center, the middle number. And that middle number is what we refer as the mean, which is part of the measure of central tendency. Alright, we'll be looking at the mean. Either you call it the mean or the average, and this is the sign. What is mean? Mean is the average of the distribution or the data given. And it is written as mean is equals to sum of the values divided by the number of values. Or sigma s. This sigma means summation of x. X is the data all over number of the data. For instance, if you have this data, you add summation of this data is this sigma s. Then number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the number of data. Then if you have a data where the frequency is more than 1, then you use this other formula. Then what is mean? Okay, median. Median is the middle value of a set of data after it has been arranged in order of magnitude, either in ascending or descending order. Mode is the number with highest occurrence in a set of data. That is the number with highest frequency. I'm just doing this because I know you know them before. So let's just solve this number 1. So find the mode, median, and the mean of the following data. And this is the data given. We have this. So if you want to find, first thing we are going to do is, let's arrange it in ascending or descending order. Let's arrange it in ascending order. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the mode is the highest occurrence. Since none of the number occurred twice, so we go for the number with the highest value, which is 6. So here we say the mode is equals to 6 because that is the number with the highest value since none of the number occurred twice. Alright, let's go to the median. Median is the number that is at the center after arranging it in ascending or descending order. We have arranged in ascending order. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. So look at the number at the center, which is what? 4. Then let's go to the mean now. Using our formula, sigma s all over n. And what is the sigma s? Summation of all this. You have 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all over 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus this, 20. That is 20 over 5, which will give us what? 4. So our mean is 4. Let's go to example 2. The table below shows the marks scored by SS2 students in a test. Here is the table. And this is just telling us that the frequency here, the number of people that scored 3, there are 3. There are 5 people scored 4, 6 people scored 5, and so on and so forth. So we are going to use this to construct our frequency table. Then we'll find all the other parameters that we are required to find. So we have mass, we have frequency, we have Fx. I will explain that. This mass, you can put it as x. The mark here, you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the frequencies are 3, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so let's find sigma f, summation of f. Add all this. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus this, 14. Okay, 20. You have 20. Fs means this is x, this is f. Multiply this together. 3 times this will give you 9, 20, 30, 18, 7, and 16. Summation of this will give us sigma fx. Add all this, you will get 100. So our mean is equals to sigma fx all over sigma f, which is what? 100 all over what? 20, which is 5. Then our mode is equals to, come to the frequency, check for the number with the highest frequency. Come to this frequency, discover that you have 6. So the number with the highest frequency is what? 5 max. So the mode is 5 max. Okay, now the median. Remember we said median is the central number, the number at the center. Now what you are going to do is add all this together and divide it by 2. That is n over 2. But after adding it, if what you have is odd number, you use this other formula, n plus 1 all over 2. So if you add this, you have 20. Okay, which is even. So 20 divided by 2 will give us what? 10. So the 10th number here will be the median mark. Let's check. This is 3 plus 5. 5 plus 6 will give us 11. So our median mark will be in this 6, which is the 5th mark. So our median is equals to 5th mark. Alright, so we'll continue from here in our next lesson. We'll go to other problems that will be a bit tougher. This one is a simple ones. Please solve my assignment as I'll forward it now in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.